Hello everyone, welcome to another video from WayTutors. Today we're going to be looking at how to unlock a user account using Active Directory on-prem. So one of the things that you want to go ahead and do, I had it open up just for this video, but one of the things, let me see if I can get it back. One of the things you want to go ahead and do once this account is locked out is you want to log back into the Active Directory. Just for kicks and giggles, I'm just going to go ahead and show the message that you're going to get once your account is locked out. I may not be logged into, so you want to go into the Active Directory. So I have the Active Directory up, Active Directory. Once again, I'm running this on my virtual machine using Hyper-V as my hypervisor on my laptop. So you want to go ahead, I'm just going to take this out of the way so we can see clearly what I'm doing. All right. No, we're just gonna type in Active Directory users and computers. I already bookmarked it down here on the task pane, but just in case this is your first time and you don't know what Active Directory is, you can just type in Active Directory and it will pull up Active Directory users and computers. This is what you need. You go ahead and click that, left click it. And once you select it, you want to, there are a couple of ways we can do this. We can look for the user, we can search for the user throughout the entire Active Directory, or if we know where users are, we can just go there. So I think I know where my users are. I had created a OU, which is an organizational unit. It's a kind of, for a layman's way of looking at it, it's a type of folder where we put special objects in that we want to tailor to have specific policies, but later on that. But for now, I'm just going to go here and I'm going to find my user Jane Doe. And let me see if I can bring up Jane Doe, and that is user Jane Doe. So she's the one with the account lockout. So I'm just going to go ahead and unlock our account. Now we can do that if we want to reset a password. Now, we don't want to reset the password. Now, the reason why we don't want to reset the password is because if this is just an account lockout, let's say the user, for some reason, forgot to turn off their cap lock. I know this has happened to me. This has happened to a bunch of other people that I know. Or you may have typed in an extra, letter or something that caused an account lockout. Now, the account lockout is a security measure that was put in place either by the administrator or someone else to prevent a brute force attack. So let's say if someone of the let's just say for in a given scenario, a bad actor got hold of your account and they were trying to brute force in, this would alert to the administrator to what's going on. But of course, administrator will look at the logs and determine whether or not this is a brute force account, or if this is happening all across the entire organization, or if this is just a one-off scenario where the user forgot, for some reason, forgot their password, or they were typing in the wrong password, or they had changed their password recently and literally forgot their password or mistyped their password. Whatever the case is, unless you have the explicit permission to reset their password, you typically don't want to do this. So you want to go here to properties and you want to find account, and this will tell you unlock account. Now keep in mind that the group policy, the way we set it up for this particular Active Directory, we set it up to unlock the account after 30 minutes, right, of lockout. But if we get a ticket saying, hey, unlock my account, I mistyped my password, yada, 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 then you want to go ahead and unlock the account. This is how you would do it. And you hit apply, hit OK. And if you want to make sure, if you're want to double check, you want to hit account, and you can see that the message we had earlier on about the account lockout is no longer there. So you want to head back to Jane Doe's PC. We hit OK, and then we type in her password. Now, if the account is unlocked, as it should, we should be able to get right in. If it's not, then we will know that something is wrong, and then Jane Doe obviously put in another ticket, or we reach out or escalate and say, hey, my account is still locked and I need help with it. So there you have it. That's how you can easily unlock your account. My name is Clint from WayTutors. Thank you for watching.